Real quick, before I start the video, just gonna say that I was told to make this video. I was not planning on this at all. For some reason, people wanted me to make another video, so it led me to doing this. Nature 3. Stop tree abuse. Hope you enjoy. It kills me to find out that so many people around the world are cutting down trees for whatever they're doing. Nature has given us so much, and look what we have done to them. I made this video so you guys could spread the word to stop tree abuse. And by that I mean stop cutting down trees. They have done nothing to us except give us great things like the air. Without trees, we wouldn't be here. And without trees, well, we wouldn't be exploring the outside world. There would be nothing to do, because we would all be dead. So please, help me out in this adventure to help stop tree abuse. Thank you for watching. But before I go, I must tell you something amazing. I have tamed the beast. Yup. As you can see here, he's loyal to me. I've named the beast Arlo. Watch this. Arlo! Come on! See that? Amazing, huh? So please, spread the word. Thank you for watching.